I'm Luca, CEO and founder of DOrbit. DOrbit works to create the first space logistics infrastructure to enable the trillion-dollar market of the space economy today and the human expansion in a sustainable space. Additive manufacturing represents an innovation in the space industry. It took quite an effort to introduce it within the space standard. We make a lot of use of additive manufacturing in our satellites, and we believe this is going to be the future for the entire industry. It simplified the transition from design to production. You can go into advanced design that not always is possible with the regular manufacturing. On the other hand, it's mass saving. So in space, the mass means cost. Additive manufacturing allows you to save mass. We start working with Caracol with a very difficult project to create something that was not existing related to the propulsion system, a project that is still running. It's a tough project in which most of the other companies gave up and Caracol didn't. What we found in Caracol was a team ready to put a lot of effort and creativity. We are very happy of all the progress and that we made together. There are many other expertise from Caracol that we are already using. What we are using now is parts that they produce for our satellites. They have quite a unique technology that take away the volume limitation of additive manufacturing. So we don't build small satellites. Our satellites need to include and contain other satellites. And what Caracol offers is a technology that go beyond the usual 3D printers. And we plan to extensively use this innovative technology to go beyond the limitations of volume. Imagine what you can do in space if you are able to recycle the material, then use it in additive manufacturing to create new parts that can be assembled directly in orbit. And it will be essential for the future expansion into a sustainable space.